There's a windstorm outside. There's severe thunderstorm. Yes, Mama. I'm recording video. Yeah, Mama. I know, but I'm recording video for YouTube. So, yep. Yep, that's a wind. Yep, that's a windstorm. So yep, there's gonna be a severe thunderstorm. So yep, look at this. Yo, look. See, look at this wind. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Bro, look. Yo. Oh my goodness. See, look at this. See, look. I want to show you the other window. Hold on. See, look at this wind, you guys. Oh. See, look at this wind. Oh. And yep, the storm is coming. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yo guys, I'm scared. It's a severe thunderstorm. Yo. Just look. Oh my goodness, the plane is right there. What is the plane doing here? Oh my gosh. What is... Oh my goodness, plane, what are you doing here? You see that, guys? Look at this wind. What are you guys doing?
There's a storm.
Oh my god. Yo, look at this, YouTube. No, don't show Daddy. Oh my god, is that lightning?
I think so.
What is it?
Covering the screen.
Oh my goodness.
Look, the trash can blew over. Oh,
Close the door. you see that, YouTube? There's a wind. So, oh my goodness. Look at this wind. Yep, look at this wind. Look at this, you guys. Whoa, these things fell on a lake. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look at the window. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like I'm gonna stop recording video and maybe I'll make another severe thunderstorm weather to show you. So yep, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yep, thank you for watching. Just please like, subscribe, and comment, you guys. Alright? So I'll see you soon.